Hi, welcome to Co-Teach University. My name is Mr. Co. Welcome, and let's get started. All right, today's video is about creating a silent auction with Google Forms. And today's video is actually for those studying to become a CEO and realtor. All right, the first thing we want to do is access Google Forms, and that can be done through Google Drive. So go ahead and log into your Google Drive. And once you have that, you're going to click on this new button, and it'll bring up a menu. And we want to go all the way down the bottom where it says More, and click on Google Forms. Something like this will pop up, and we want to give it a title. And here's our title that I'd like you to use for your Google silent auction. Silent auction for luxury chairs for week. And this number, it's 8 or 9 or 10. It changes each week, but let's just put week 8 for example. So we have ourselves a title, and let's see, silent auction for luxury chairs for week 8. All right, so description. We actually want you to copy and paste the description from the realtor course, which is right here. So if you go ahead and just copy this, boop, boop, and then go ahead and paste that right there. The reason why is we want specific directions, and instead of you typing it up and maybe possibly make a mistake or missing a few words, we just want you to copy and paste that. All right, so now we're going to add our chairs. So I'm going to click on Add Question, and I'm going to type the chairs that we have. So this is just for an example, red chair. Again, the colors might differ depending on what chairs we have. Right now it's set for a multiple choice question, so you can choose different options, but we don't want that. We actually want students to be able to type in their answer, their auction, their bid, if you will. So you're going to switch it to short answer. Another thing is this, required. Right now it's turned off, keep it that way. The reason why, if we turned it on, every single student that takes this silent auction would have to bid on that red chair. We don't want that. They could have a choice. So we'll leave it alone, basically. We'll add a new question. And same thing, we'll just type blue chair. Again, these chairs are just, depends on what chairs we have. A short answer. And let's just add another one just for good measure. Black chair. And change that to multiple choice. I'm sorry, short answer. From multiple choice to short answer. So we're ready to basically share this survey out, the silent auction. So what to do next? We want you to click right here in this 3 circles that are like stacked up on each other. Click on that. We want you to click on Add Collaborators. This basically helps myself. Once you add me, then I can access this silent auction. So click on Add Collaborators, and something like this will pop up. Right now, I'm the one that's making this, so that's why my email address is right there. You will actually have your email address right there. I want you to type in my email address. For right now, it's ako@hightechhigh.org. And please make sure I have can edit. That gives me editing rights and helps me change a few things if there's like a mistake or anything like that. Also helps me post it. And then click on send. And then done. So pretty much you're done for now. And what's going to happen is we're going to have the auction. Students going to type in their bids. And then what's going to happen, you're going to get something that looks like this. A silent auction for luxury chairs, week 8. And get responses. So you click on responses. We have 60, but we're actually not going to click on it right now. We're going to see it actually creates a spreadsheet, and you're going to check the spreadsheet, your Google Drive for that spreadsheets, and it'll look something like this: silent auction for luxury chairs, week 8 responses. All right, so here we have the responses. I've hidden the names or the emails because just to protect your privacy, but usually there would be a column with the people's email addresses. All right, so here we have all these random bids, and it's like, you know what? This is like, for example, black chair, there's $1, a $0, 600, there's blanks, and you're like, how do I figure out which one's the highest? Google Sheets is great because you're gonna click on here, so right now there's no arrow, but if I move my mouse here, an arrow kind of appears. I'm going to click on that and go down to sort sheet A through Z. So click on that, and that just basically sorts it out so I know who has the highest bid. So you would think, oh, the last one? Well, not necessarily, because these were actually written in a format where Google Sheets said, I don't know what to do with that, so I'll put it at the end. This is the highest one. So you would match it up with the person's name. The last step is, once you figure out who won, is let me know. And then you're actually going to check in CoTeach University, and you're actually going to see under lecture chairs whether they paid for their chairs or not. So you just click on that, and that'll see if students have paid for their chairs. And again, for our example, these green, purple, and the prices, they don't match up necessarily. This is just more of an example that we have. All right, so things to remember. Make sure you share the Google form with me. You're going to do that by clicking on that circle there. Choose Add Collaborators. And make sure you type in my email address, as well as you make sure this Can Edit is selected, and hit Send. Also, you'll collect a lot of responses, and it'll be on a spreadsheet, and it'll be called, whatever it is, the title, in parentheses, responses. You can also arrange the order of the responses by clicking on that arrow, remember, and then selecting Sort A through Z. And then finally, you're going to log into CoTeach University, or rather the My Kids bank account for your particular class, and check to see if people have paid. Thanks for watching, and we'll close with a quote by Nathaniel Hawthorne, who said, "Accuracy is a twin brother of honesty, inaccuracy of dishonesty." Thanks so much.